county ya Kisii nigo omubaso orero aborokia ba junior secondary korwa ase county ya Kisii banyara koba bakorobekana obugatagati bw'omochi obosongo ase banyara koba bakoyemochia eserikali enene ase keri batebire bataranyara koba bagotegerera ebirero byabo kubategana barabo nigo batebire as maiga yabarabo gukora anene contract y'omwaka oyomo ibanyara koba kobiko kubwatana amone serikali enene goikera boniga tibaranyara koba kwenekerigwa emeremo yabo chinga kibagendete koba kwirigania okuyora chiskuru omwaka onde nigo babolirie ekyombekeria gyokolika abalimu gya TSC koenekia buna ekenyere kobiko baenekeria emeremo yabo chinga kibono barachikoba bagochaka omwaka onde Mildred Mumanyi nanyara koba gosanga amana interoboti oruo asenchire obime.
Abalimu ba junior secondary imeye county ya Kisii nigo bakora okurobekana asekelia buna nigo bakonyora emeshara emeke omochoko kubora ase emerobelio yokulika abalimu katia yande amange ase bagosereirie gochogutigia emeremo eyobuna omwaka ogochaka.
And as Kisii County JSS, we have two irreducible minimums for the government and the TSC. We are asking that they confirm the JSS interns, and two, they should domicile the JSS in secondary schools. Because 17,000 at this point in time in the economy of Kenya is not enough for a teacher in this country.
I think I should inform TSCs that when it comes to employment, if they are barring interns from applying replacement, it is high time that they allow these teachers to apply for replacement, because we cannot be kept under backdoor that the interns are going to serve in primary schools when we have 22 graduates who is graduating just yesterday just to take that opportunity under senior secondary school.
Our contract has expired. Our letter stated very clearly that the contract was supposed to lapse for 11 months and it was non-renewable. The contract was non-renewable. Now the question is, we've had people going to media houses saying that we must go do the internship for 3 years. The question is why? It is against the international labor laws. Our term is lapsing now, this December, 11 months, they are lapsing. We want you to confirm us. We are not going to renew those terms. We are going to engage Kupet.
Nigo baganirie omorobelio o JSS kobekwa ase chiskuru cha secondary likalia chiskuru choboroso ase baganie ekiombe gya Kupet kobabwatesia ase ebirero byabo gochase ekiombe getenete okolika kwa balimu.
Because we don't have enough resources in primary schools, let this JSS be domiciled in senior secondary so that we can be able to get more of laboratories instead of the government telling us to apply more of mobile labs in these primary schools.
We're waiting for us to get confirmed for them to start deducting our salaries. Are they waiting for us to get confirmed for them to put us in their sleeps, for them to attack our sleeps? They must be with us in this journey. Yes. Or else, these people behind here are threatening one thing, Kupet. If you don't join us, we will form our own movement. We will form a movement for JSS.
Ase chinga kecho nigo baganie eserikali amone kiombegetenete abalimu uchi akubategerera ase boigo bamochire eserikali ase okurusia ebango ase omushara oyomoke bakoba.
So we are asking the government and the TSC to ardently listen to our pleas. And come January, if they do not do so, then they shall see what we JSS are made of.
Pending to the TSC, let them, if a teacher has been an intern, let us not wait up to 5 months to be paid. Let payment be immediate.
Is a stipend a salary?
No.
Why are you taxing a stipend? A stipend is something that is not a salary. It doesn't have allowances. It doesn't have medical covers. Right now, you give us a stipend of 20,000. Then you are taxing a stipend. Right now, these people are hand less than 17,000. What is that? You should not tax stipends. Next time, if you are going to put people under internship, if it is a stipend, let it remain a stipend.
Kuripotalia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, eletaliane Mildred Mumanyi.